the first times.
We should make something better. We should search for a solution.
For the first time, she felt that someone understood her. For the first time, she wasn't asked to repeat her sentence 5 times or more. A little girl struggling with speech sound disorders found someone who understands her without judging. And from here, Talkaboo was born. Talkaboo is developed under the STEAM++ framework.
Talkaboo is not just a scientific project. It's a humanitarian message, an intelligent device that uses artificial intelligence to distinguish unclear words and transfer them into clear sentences pronounced in a clear voice that supports the children emotionally and boosts their self-confidence.
This innovation achieves one of the Sustainable Development Goals: quality, equitable, and inclusive education for all, especially for people with disabilities, because we believe that every word is a right and we should hear it clearly and fairly.
To bring Talkaboo to life, we used Edge Impulse, a leading AI platform, to train our model to recognize and correct clear speech patterns.
To create a realistic experience, we designed the exterior of Talkaboo using Fusion 360. We shaped it like a lovable teddy bear, making it easy to use and carry.
Talkaboo combines emotion and technology, creativity and compassion, design and engineering. It's a new hope for every child searching for their voice, and we are giving them this with a clear voice spoken from our hearts.
Fatima, what is your favorite color?